This is our multi-use neem purifying cleansing powder. This can be used as a cleanser, as a gentle exfoliator and also a face mask. This is more ideal for those who have got problematic and acne-prone skin, as it is jam-packed with antibacterial ingredients. This is a multi-use product. It is antibacterial, antifungal, soothes the skin, adds a glow to your skin, makes it soft and supple, brightens the skin, helps with repair the skin barrier, it's anti-aging, gets rid of any bad bacteria, cleans without stripping the skin, can be used as a double cleanser. It is finely milled powder which helps exfoliate, and it can be also used as a face mask once or twice a week. You simply pour out the required amount of powder onto your palm, and then you will mix it in with a few drops of water until it has formed a paste. Then you would apply it directly onto your skin and cleanse thoroughly for about 2 minutes. Because this is a water-activated cleanser, you can simply just rinse your skin afterwards, or you can use a wet towel to remove it all and then rinse. This has some really great ingredients such as turmeric, oats, rice and neem, which are all antibacterial, fights off an infection and also helps to improve the skin cells. Use it as part B when you are double cleansing straight after a oil cleanser. When using it as a face mask, it also helps to draw out any of the toxins and detoxify your skin.